Another Samsung device that has been exploded. Also in the leaks, we have the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 pre-orders outperforming both the Note 20 and S20 in Samsung home country. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest scoop. After a brief break from the previous revamped tale of the Galaxy S7 catching fire, we have finally got another one on our hands. It seems that bizarre smartphone disaster are making a comeback, and it's a big one this time. According to a report yesterday that another blazing Samsung phone came into the spotlight for simultaneous combustion, thankfully with short-lasting consequences. This time, the culprit wasn't the Galaxy S7 Edge, but the slightly more modern Samsung Galaxy A21, which is an affordable device that Samsung has launched last year. The incident happened in a flight which is due to travel to Alaska, and that even just happened before the takeoff. Before the phone had a chance to take off, Samsung phone unexpectedly caught on fire, assembling causing by defective battery malfunction. So definitely this is going to be a concerning, but considering that is going to be the only event right now for the Galaxy A21, so we can assume that this is not going to be as much bad for Samsung as we have seen for the S7 Edge. Moving on towards the another story, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 pre-orders outperforming both the Note 20 and 21 in Samsung home market. Today, the Bloomberg has given us the pre-order detail for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3, which reached at 920,000 units in first 7 days of availability. The report also mentioned that the $1,000 Z Flip 3 is the most popular model thus for the South Korea, accumulating for around 70% of the order, while the rest of the orders were coming from the Z Fold 3. These numbers are particularly impressive when compared to previous flagship launches, and Samsung says that the Fold 3 and the Flip 3 pre-orders in its home market are currently 30% higher than those of the last year Galaxy Note 20 lineup. Even more impressive is the fact that the Fold and the Flip pre-orders are performing 80% better than those of the S21, which is positioned at the brand mainstream flagship lineup and should technically appeal to wider audience. So guys, this response from the user has never thought by Samsung, and they underestimated the demand for the Fold 3 and the Flip 3. Ultimately, they are facing right now the problem that most of the countries in the US, Spain, France, Germany and the UK have seen in the delay of their Galaxy Z Flip and the Z Fold 3 devices just because they are facing the supply issue. So guys, definitely it was predicted that the Z Flip 3, which is going to be affordable device, is going to be the one of the best sellers, so it is happening right now. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.